Hi guys, Robin here from WTI. Let's check out my new favorite accessory, the RingConn Gen 2. Finding a proactive health management ring was difficult until I came across this RingConn Gen 2. It is super thin and lightweight. From the moment you receive the sizing kit that also includes swatches of the colors the ring comes in, which I think is exceptional, it was guaranteed to be a quality product. The packaging is simple yet refined. The ring alone is a 10 to 12 day charge that it has in it, and if you have the case, it can carry up to 150 days. The best part about this is the intensive sleep monitoring. It is the first ring to have an exclusive sleep apnea monitoring mode, which just gives you a nightly update of where you are, your SpO2s, and also your AHIs. It is amazing and definitely something that had been on my mind, so I'm glad I'm able to monitor it now. My second favorite feature is the stress monitoring. I find that super useful throughout the day. Whether I'm at work, it just monitors as I go throughout my day. And then I love checking back in the evening just to monitor how I was feeling during the day compared to the data that my ring has pulled as well. And sometimes it is very surprising. The fact that this is waterproof and dustproof, I absolutely love as well. Whether I'm driving, doing dishes, taking a shower, I can leave it on at all times. Even going ahead and getting sweaty at the gym does not interfere with it, which makes my life so much easier as well. Like I said, it is super comfortable, super sturdy. I've used this nonstop since I got it, and there is no marks on them whatsoever. I cannot recommend this enough. I absolutely love it. And that's my point of view.